Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So if you want to clear all data from it, for example, if you need to start from fresh, or maybe you are selling or returning it. So the first way is we can simply swipe down on your watch and then click the settings icon here, and then find the general. It's pretty much at the bottom here. So we click that. And as you see, you have your reset option here. So we click that and we can simply click here to reset. So if perhaps you can't get access to your watch, maybe something has happened to it. Then also, if you have your phone in range, you can simply reset it from the phone app as well. So if you go in the wearable app, and so in the app, click here basically. So open settings, and see you also have the general and reset option. So if we click that, so let's do that. I have to reset mine anyway. So I'll click don't backup. I do not need the backup. So you see it's now resetting. Yeah, so as easy as that. And it's essentially going to wipe everything from the watch. And yeah, you simply wait till it finishes, and then you have to set it up essentially as a new watch. So they'll boot up, as you see. And yeah, so simply again download the wearable app, Samsung Health app, and pair it, and should be good. Okay, good luck.